The dry season passed. The rains arrived. The land flushed so green, I barely recognized my own home. And with the transformation came relief. Even for my father, though old, his love for me never wavered. And the force of our pride was unstoppable. It was time for the family to relax. But for me, it was time for adventure. When the dry season came around again, a whole year had passed. And I was almost fully grown. But just a kid at heart. Still liked hanging out in trees. Still just wanted to have fun. And luckily, my mother was still game. The older I got, the harder she could play. When I tired her out, I moved on to my aunts, who had a few rounds left in them. Not everyone was in the mood for play. My uncle died a few months before, leaving my father to deal with the increasing pressure from invading males on his own. Nothing I could do to help. Just save my own energy for when the battle came to me. Ultimately, all us animals out here are fighting for the same thing. To protect our little patch for the next generation to grow. Problem is, there is always someone bigger who comes along and tramples on your plans. Often, the only solution is to tackle the threat head on. When your family is on the line, you do whatever you can. But sometimes the stakes are just too high. The outside male was back. Stronger, closer. And this time, with his brother for backup.